अरे ये तो बस ही लेके आ गए।
लिफ्ट लेना है।
So after Chief Minister's departure, the traffic cleared up and we finally reached IKEA. Hi everyone, this is going to be my honest opinion on IKEA products. The only question I had in mind while I picked up any item was, is it worth the price tag to it? Come, join me on the trip to IKEA Bangalore without having to stand in the queues. Hands down, lights were my favorite part at IKEA. The quality was exceptional and they were priced marginally, and I could find a few which were cheaper than the available market prices. You should definitely consider this pegboard for your office space. Good quality duvet covers with luxurious feel to it. Considering the price point, they're a good buy for your balcony addition. To be true, not a big fan of IKEA furniture. Given the price point, you can get various other options in the local markets or online portals. The decoratives are priced at par with Home Center. For 3499, a very good buy for projection track lights. Beautiful pendant light, add it and feel the charm of serenity in your room. A classy piece of light to add a metallic touch to your decor. For a beautiful projection of pattern on your wall, this is a very good buy. I was obsessed with these lights. If you want to add a visual texture to your room, definitely consider it. To add some faux plants, this is a perfect combination for hardly 380 and you can spice up your corner. Add subtle patterns to your wall in the form of these picture frames. An elegant clock to add to the minimalistic vibe at your home. After lights, a big thumbs up to the mirror collection. For the quality offered, the price point is reasonable, and yes, they were cheaper in comparison to the other online players. Coming to the metallic furniture, be it the TV benches, the shelves or the bed frames, I found them quite sturdy and the price point was also genuine. But when it came to the wooden furniture, majority of pieces were in MDF and the ones which were in hardwood were priced at par with the major online players which we have currently. Sturdy storage baskets at $2.99. They were available in 3 colors and a very good option to store all your toys or your junk away. More options to add to the visual textures in the form of these beautiful lamps and the vases. So after 2.5 hours of walking, it was time for me to sit. A word of caution, please wear some comfortable shoes while you visit IKEA. So after your legs give up, IKEA has range for both veg and non-veg options to help you regain your energy levels. We tried their veg options. I must say, pastry is good, but not a big fan of their veg balls. So finally, we reached the ground floor of IKEA. Here you'll find a wide range of all the plastic material as well as some rugs, some carpets, cushions, curtains and live plants as well. This is a great place for you to start with. Since it was crowded on the inauguration, we had to start from the top floor and then to the ground. Jute rugs are easy maintenance and yes, they add a very soothing feel to your space. So if you're considering one, definitely get it from IKEA. This beauty is going to be my vision board. These retro lights will definitely suit your dressing area. So any product that you want to pick up from IKEA, please take a picture of the tag. The tag will have the rack number and the shelf written on it. You can go down to the ground floor, which is the marketplace, from where you'll have to pick it up yourself and then go for the billing. I'll give a detailed review of the products I picked up from IKEA in my upcoming video. So please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Until then, stay blessed and have a good day.